We're in a movie theater with a literal underground garage. What the F?
Wow, I don't remember these words.
Oh my God. Wine cellar that leads out to the actual bar. Do anything, which maybe is a little bit too. This is unbelievable. And then right next to this outdoor, like, underground garage is literally a barber chair, in addition to the separate salon area.
Take a little off the top here.
You know? I think I've ever seen a bedroom where the inside is connected like this to the outside, and then this is one closet. This is his closet, and this is the hers. Just wow. I just need everyone to know this is a freaking dream. What? This is literally insane. Okay, so this is all acreage that's part of the house. Tennis court, and then like a private dining area over here. There is even a full-blown soccer field down here. I mean, it just goes in every direction. Favorite part of the house?
I like the car garage a lot and the downstairs pool and everything like that, but I mean, I'm a big outdoor person. I love the garden. I love communal dining and all these plants and nature. So living in with it like that just makes it so special, I think.
I just think that master bedroom with the curtains that went out onto the nature.
Pretty fantastic. Very pretty.
All in all, pretty stunning. What's the price on this one?
$20 million.
I actually do vibe with this a lot. This is my style. It's like, this is very Cape Cod to me. I'm like a white kitchen looking out on the green yard with the hedges and the pool.
Yeah, this is very Cape Cod.
That's my vibe.
That's my vibe.
I could suffer. This is fine. I tied my sweater around my neck just to really embody my inner prep. Yeah, this is nice.
Ooh.
I always love when there's green out the windows, you know?
I'm such a slut for vertical tiles. Children at all.
Like, here you are in a real house.
So.
All right, should we go upstairs?
Let's go upstairs. Yeah.
Again, the white wood with that ceiling. Very East Coast. Really like it.
Office back here. Like, you have to walk through your bedroom to get to your office.
That's interesting. I like the patio. I hadn't realized that was here. Ooh, okay. But again, you have that all green out your window. Like, I prefer this office to the other one.
I would probably get less done here. Or I don't leave this room, in the morning and stuff.
They have his and hers. Yes, they do.
Gotcha.
I do love.
His and hers.
Love a bathtub.
His and hers is so essential these days.
There's green out the windows. I'm very happy. Just want to jump in the pool.
I love it.
Assessment is, this is a nice house. The other one was a nice campus.
It's a compound.
Or like
you
a
just
compound.
Don't leave.
Yeah.
This is a family oriented. You see the kids playing.
Right.
The other house, you don't see your kids. You have a group chat.
That's what I'm
basically.
saying.
Like,
I actually love that this is flat outdoor land and you can just be out here and lounge and lay, but it's also super private with the tall hedges. As an East Coaster at heart, speaks to me. Last Friday night.